You've tuned into Mirchi's Immigration Insights, brought to you by the Shapir Ali Law Group, the business and family immigration law firm representing clients like you and me in US immigration. I'm Vijaya, talking to its founder and president managing attorney, Shapir Ali. So, Shah, tell us a little bit. We went through all of the A to Z of visas earlier. Tell us about the J1 visa and what is really the 2-year residency requirement.
Well, the J1 visa is an exchange program. So basically, it was set for people to come here, get experience, kind of, and then go back to their country to perform or to help their country.
Mm-hmm.
And the truth is that most people coming don't want to go back. So what happens is that they put a condition on many of those J1. It doesn't apply to all the J1s, by the way. You have to look on your J1 if you are subject to what we call the 2-year residency. What the 2-year residency means, after you complete the program, you have to go back to your home country and do the work there.
So they come
And if you
here,
don't,
sorry for interrupting, but they come here for what on J1?
you can come here like a nanny au pair, for example, can come on J1.
Mm-hmm.
J1 also applies to many professions, like many doctors will come on J1.
Okay.
Many people in the hospitality
Mm-hmm.
kind of environment, they will come on J1. It's a visa. Well, it's a headache visa, by the way, but people will take it because it allows people up to, I think, 18 months or 3 years to continue working here.
Okay.
And for people who just wants to get experience, or people who don't have a choice, they're getting a J1, they will take it. It's not a great visa. It's a headache, especially if it is subject to the 2-year residency.
Mm-hmm.
But there are ways to deal with that residency, by the way. And the way to deal with this 2 years residency is you can get what we call a non-objection letter. Let's say, for example, you came on a J1 and you're subject to residency. You marry a US citizen. You cannot get your green card by adjusting status unless you go back for 2 years and stay there for 2 years, or you get what we call a waiver, including probably a non-objection letter. What is a non-objection letter is a letter that is given by your government stating that we don't need you, you can stay there, and that will allow you. But many times or sometimes some embassies don't give it, or depending on your J1 program, you might not be able to use it. But it is good to have it.
Mm-hmm.
Then in this case, you have to file for what we call a J1 waiver. That in itself is another headache because the threshold to show is usually pretty much very, very high, and very few people meet it. But most people do get their J1 waiver approved, but with other ways, usually when they have the non-objection letter. So if that's answered your question, so the 2-year residency is basically to go back, work there, and then you can come back to the US unless you get that waiver. That's
I see. Well, thank you for that, Shah. Again, very enlightening on the J1 visa. And folks, for the A to Z of visas, of green cards, or anything else in US immigration, you know where to go. It's the Shapir Ali Law Group. Just check them out on Peer Ali Law. That's PEERALLYLAW.com. Call them today for your consult, 510-742-5887. More very relevant pointers on the immigration law with veteran attorney Shapir Ali coming up in just a bit. You stay with us on Mirchi, it's hot.
Hello everybody, this is Shapir Ali. Join me as from January 2023 for live lectures on our live stream YouTube channel. The handle is Attorney on Air, so YouTube at Attorney on Air, and we will be glad to present to you all the aspects of immigration from the foundation and up. And it will be something interesting not only for the public but for other new attorneys who want to join in. You're welcome to do that. So best of luck. We'll see you next year on that channel. In the meantime, subscribe to it. We're still putting a lot of great stuff there. Good luck. Take care. Bye bye.